What's up, yo? How y'all doing? Welcome back. It's been a minute since we've done anything in terms of cars. I've been uploading a lot of shorts of me working on cars. I haven't filmed like a full video. I've just not really been into it, to be honest. I've had these audio issues and shit with the camera, so I just kind of gave up. And we've done a little bit of moto vlogging stuff, kind of just making it work. But like, it's mainly just been a lot of like shorts of me working on shit and riding bikes and stuff like that. So yeah, we're gonna do a full video. I guess today I got the Speed 6 out in the driveway, got my bike out there. I'm gonna wash those later. Right now we're gonna do front sway bar end links and control. Yeah, sway bar end links and tie rod ends. So I got that for my car and Melissa's car. Both front ends need to be done. I need an alignment, she needs an alignment, so I'll probably try to ghetto driveway align it, see if it's good. I don't really know, we'll see what happens. But yeah, let's get these parts opened. I want to say thank you to whoever bought stuff through my Amazon links. I appreciate you. There's been a few people, and yeah, you know, also a chance to plug that. If you want to, please use my links. I appreciate it. It's very good for me. It helps at the end of the day. It's a little bit extra money, you know. Helps me buy parts and all that stuff. I haven't bought anything for the Speed 6 in quite some time. I've just been fixing the house and dealing with the bullshit. Like something, I can't remember what broke. Something broke on her car. Her tires got fucked up, so we had to buy new tires. That was like $300, and then she popped one of the tires, so I had to get that fixed. And I've just been spending a lot of money on the house stuff, so we haven't really been buying car parts. I really want to finish what I'm working on and get this fucker just like sold and moved the fuck out of here, get a new spot. I'm gonna assume these are my sway bar end links. I hope. Hopefully they're not too big. Jesus Christ, I didn't really even look. I think it was like a one size fit all. Oh no, I didn't get grease. Oh, one of our cars just has massive sway bar or tie rod end links. These are fucking huge end links. What the fuck? Hopefully I got the right stuff. Yeah, her Fusion apparently has crazy big tie rod end links. I don't know. Either way, we got her parts, I got my parts. And yeah, let's get rolling. Several issues already. Thank God, these new ones, I love, dude. Moog is the way to go. This was literally like fucking $13. It's thicker and nicer than the stock one. It has this beautiful nut at the back here, so you can just hold it with a crescent wrench and tighten it here. You don't have to have a fucking Allen key to hold it, or these stupid ass fucking ball joint tie rod fucking sway bar separators that you gotta get, all these specialty fucking bullshitters. I've never used them. I've never used the fucking separators. I've always just either sawzalled them off or done whatever to get it fucking off. But it's so tight in here that I don't know if I'm gonna be able to sawzall in there, and I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna get it off. Like, look at this. God damn it, the audio situation got me scared to touch this. Look at this dumbass design. I just smacked the microphone, I apologize. But look at this dumbass design. How do you get in here? There's a nut here, so I don't know if this comes off and comes out of the way, and then you can get in there with the crescent and do it. But unfortunately, this came off in like 30 seconds. This and this are like rust welded together, so that's a whole nother story. But I fucked up my tattoo a little bit, and I don't want to get rust and shit on my tattoo, so we're just taking a break from that. We're gonna figure that out in a minute. That's just gonna take some manpower, some heat, and some lubrication. This, on the other hand, I might be able to sawzall through here. Right here, I don't think I can, so I gotta figure out how to do this and do that. I'm about to go to the store and get a grease gun and some stuff to wash the cars and possibly fucking a tie rod separator. Just something that I can like slip in between there. I was trying to use this and I got it in there a little bit. There's just it still spins too much. So maybe if I get the separator, I can just fucking force it. I'm not trying to keep these. Obviously, I have brand new ones, so it isn't a big deal. And it can just sit here in the fucking garage in the state that it's in. If it has to, I'm not really worried about it. I would just prefer to get it done. So we're gonna go to the store, we're gonna get some shit, and we're not gonna make excuses today. All right, we got the grease gun, and I got these greased up. I think I overfilled them a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. They're kind of pulsating with grease. But you know what? Fuck it, they're fillable again. And if it fucks up, they were 20 bucks, you know, they're easy to get on and off. These ones are compared to the other ones, so yeah, we got that. I got this. Basically what ended up happening was I tried to pry this in between to, you know, give this pressure, and it popped the whole boot off, as you can see, for both of them basically. And then I grabbed right here with these little, these alligator clippers, I don't fucking know what the actual vice grip, there we go. With these little vice grippers, pop, and then took that off with the impact, and problem solved. So that's figured out. I'm gonna save this just to fuck with it, you know. You never know. It did rip the boot, but maybe I could rig it on the go-kart if I need. I do need a little bit of a suspension upgrade, so we could do some stupid shit. Okay, well, I gave up on trying to get the end link, the tie rod end link off on that side, so we're gonna move over here. I'm gonna take the fucking tie rod end link bolt and stuff off over here and knock it down out of the way. Figure that out tomorrow probably. And then let's grease this up and get this on. Boom, she's up out of the way. Now we've got to get this and this out the way. Probably do the same thing. We'll loosen the top with this. Okay, she's spinning. And then let's break the bottom by hand. Just gotta pop it like that. And she's up out the way. And then take this and fucking put her on. God, I need an air ratchet for this. Holy fuck, that would make life so much easier right now. Holy shit, there's so much more to go. What a challenge. That took at least 5 minutes. Let's go. Honestly, don't even need it. Just rip the fucker off, man. Honestly, it kind of worked out because this boy's in like perfect condition. You just kind of pop it back in. I probably could have greased these again, I guess, huh? But I don't know. These new ones are nicer, they're thicker. These are comparison here. Definitely better quality than OE in my opinion. Okay, well that one's on. Now I just gotta figure out these fucking tie rod ends, to be honest. They're pretty crusty. Definitely probably time to replace them. Oh my god, it's free. Holy shit. What a terrible design. Alright, now I gotta take these top ones off. Their sway bar end links off. Holy shit. Much to do. I broke my seat. That's unfortunate. Okay, this is a 19 mil, so slightly bigger.
When you're on the outside of the podium, you need to take risks and make this happen. I mean, the excitement about this when the announcement was made is to see everybody just doing this and just everyone talking about the support that they've had in the stadium.
Oh shit, okay, we're on the passenger side. I did the driver's side already. It was pretty chill. Once I got the 18 millimeter, it was in and out. Taking the other ones out last night was kind of miserable. and I was losing my shit a little bit. We'll see if I lose my shit on these ones as well. It's really humid. It's like probably like, I'd say like 90 something degrees and just wet, just gross. So yeah, we gotta get it done though. I thought we were going to the fireworks tonight, but those are actually next weekend, so it's not like a rush or anything, which is cool. But yeah, we got the impact sockets now. We're ready to go. Got a full new set. I guess let's get rolling. I guess I'm gonna time lapse this side probably. Attempt number 4. Okay, we have the other GoPro. We're testing out the audio on the other GoPro, and of course, first attempt on this GoPro didn't work. Second attempt, there was a thing going on with the lens. It was just not looking pretty. So here we are. Attempt number 4 between the two GoPros. We did one attempt on the old GoPro. Well, the other GoPro is technically the newer one. It's a Hero 7, and this is a Hero 6 or a Hero 5. And yeah, they're just old. They're old. They're not happy. It's time to maybe get a new one. But I don't want to spend $500 on a new one just to have audio. Probably just use my phone. We'll see what happens. I'm not really sure. But I can't record fucking moto vlogs with a phone. I guess I could record audio through like a headset and my phone. I don't know. Whatever. But yeah, the cars are good. They're out there. Suspension's finished. I washed my bike and the car. I thought I recorded that on time lapse, but I cannot find the time lapse. So the other thing with this one is this one likes to corrupt data quite often. So that's the other struggle, is maybe the video is going to come out and I go to upload it and it's not going to be fucking here on the SD card. So I can't fucking win right now. Like, I love GoPro. I love their quality normally, but I've been having too many issues between past issues and then current issues with the audio. It just, I don't know what to do. I don't really want to use one of the other brands because, you know, I watch Jixer Bro and his 360 cam from, can't remember the name of the company, but it just overheats. It just overheats all the time. And, yeah, it's Insta360, that's what it is. But they have normal standard vlogging cams as well. It's just, I don't know what the fuck to do. I hate this situation. I guess it happens every 5 to 6 years, you know, with video type of footage where you need to kind of get a new camera if you're going to be able to continue on, especially when you treat them how I treat them and put them through a lot of work and stuff like that. So yeah, start using my Amazon fucking link so I can get a new one, please. I appreciate everybody that's been using them. I really do appreciate it. It's went up a little bit more again since that last clip. So yeah, there's pretty much a link for all of the camera equipment I use. There's a link for all of the bike stuff that I got, and I might throw some of the other things that I commonly use up in there just to maybe get some more. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.